In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom matches in Fortnite. Alright, so first thing is first, we need to sign up for the Support a Creator program. So you can just go Google and type in Support a Creator. As always, I'll do you the favor of putting a link down at the bottom. And we have tons of other helpful resources in the description of this video, so definitely check that out. So yeah, I'm not going to register for this because yeah, they need tax information and things like that. But here are all the steps laid out plain and simple. You just click start registration, complete it, and you need to be approved as well before you can do this. Alright guys, so here we are inside of Fortnite, and what we're gonna do is we wanna go to our profile icon on the top right. Inside of here, we're going to click on game, and we need to make sure our matchmaking region is set because everybody needs to be on the same region. Alright, once that's done, you can just press escape. Then while we're on our selected game mode, we can scroll down till we see custom matchmaking key. Alright, so that is done. And then all you need to do is hit play and you're good to go. Of course, you'll see that I will get an error when I try to do this because, as I mentioned, I'm not part of the Support a Creator program. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.